This is the Muse 8-voice polyphonic analog synthesizer by Moog. I'll play a little bit more on the Moog, but first let me tell you a few of my favorite highlights. I love that every voice of the Muse has 2 analog oscillators plus a 3rd analog motion oscillator that can be used as an audio oscillator that still leaves you 2 LFOs. I love that Muse has all the important parameter sliders and buttons and knobs right on the front panel and spaced out exactly where you want them. That encourages real-time performance. And you can tuck this whole thing under one arm. But my favorite feature on Muse is the ability to store a chord per key, so you can have a whole set of chord changes in one hand while you play bass or lead in the other hand. If you're digging the Moog Muse as much as I am, you can hear a full-length sounds-only video by clicking on the link below, and soon I'll be adding a deep dive of the Muse to that as well. If you like what you hear, click on the link in the description to head to sweetwater.com or call your Sweetwater sales engineer for more information.